Raytheon has completed testing of the ground-launched version of its StormBreaker smart munition. The company announced that it completed the design, development, and testing of the new model in 50 days. Raytheon has completed testing a ground-launched version of the StormBreaker glide weapon, which previously had been fielded only in an air-launched configuration. The trial was conducted at a private range in the Mojave Desert, where the prototype was launched using a commercial off-the-shelf rocket motor. During the spring testing, it met key milestones, including reaching an altitude of about 20,000 feet, 6,096 meters. According to the company, the new variant was designed, developed, and tested within just 50 days. Recent global conflicts have highlighted the need for a smart, ground-launched, precision strike weapon that can perform in GPS-contested areas. President of Air and Space Defense Systems at Raytheon Sam Denneke said, "StormBreaker is a composable weapon, which allows it to be customized to meet mission demands. Using the foundational components of air-launched StormBreaker allowed us to move faster than ever before, going from concept to test flight in under 2 months. The ground-launched variant is built to engage the same targets as its air-launched counterpart, while providing extended range and enhanced offensive capabilities. Additional tests are planned throughout 2025. StormBreaker. The GBU-53B StormBreaker, also known as the Small Diameter Bomb Increment 2, is described by Raytheon as the only network-enabled smart weapon capable of engaging both moving and stationary targets in fair or adverse weather, on land or at sea. The weapon can be dropped from an aircraft and have its control handed over to another, a feature considered critical in a JADC-2 Joint All-Domain Command and Control battle space. The 200-pound, 91-kilogram weapon can glide over 45 miles, 72 kilometers, to reach its target and uses Global Positioning System inertial navigation system guidance that supports post-launch retargeting. In service since 2020, the air-launched StormBreaker is cleared for use on the F-15E and F/A-18E/F Super Hornet and is being integrated on the F-35A, B, and C. The F-35 can carry 8 StormBreakers internally and an additional 8 externally, giving the aircraft the capability to engage moving targets in adverse weather and counter a wide range of threats. Moreover, its multi-effect warhead combines shaped charge jets, fragmentation, and blast effects, with an optional delayed smart fuse. Raytheon said the test launch took place this spring at a designated firing range in California's Mojave Desert. A prototype was launched using a commercially available rocket engine and reached an altitude of approximately 20,000 feet. Denneke highlighted StormBreaker's modular structure and said, "StormBreaker is a modular weapon that can be adapted to meet mission needs. Using core components from the air-launched StormBreaker allowed us to go from concept to test flight in less than 2 months." Current usage and integration process StormBreaker is the only field-operated network-enabled smart munition capable of engaging mobile and stationary targets on land or at sea in good or bad weather conditions. It is currently approved for use on the F-15E and F/A-18EF Super Hornet aircraft. Integration with the F-35A/B/C is also underway. To accelerate the development of the ground-launched StormBreaker, Raytheon has invested resources in independent research and development, capital investments, facilities, and specialized personnel acquisitions. The company stated that the new model covers the same target groups as the air-launched weapon, but with increased range and attack capabilities. Raytheon announced that additional tests are planned throughout 2025.
Smash that like button, drop your thoughts on latest military in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into global power plays. Because here at Intel Prime, we know power isn't always loud, but it's always strategic.